we are back with our part 2 of our LOL OMG remix unboxing. I have my helper here, and she is going to help us go into detail about Lonestar.
Yay.
We think she is so pretty. We opened her, we just thought she was so pretty, friends, and everything about her is so cute. I'm really hoping to get this jacket. I hope that it comes with like a dangly jacket. That'll be so cute. Ooh, this is so cute.
I don't know where to put it.
And look, we're going to show you the artwork of the package. Look at how they put all 4 of them on there. So cute. This is her artwork, just so you can see it up close. So when you open it, guys, it shows a very pretty picture of Lonestar. So this is a record player. This is, I know you may not know, your generation doesn't know about these, but back in the Stone Age, we had record players, and you would put a disc on a spinning object and it would play music for you. So
I like this.
oh, get it. That's so cute.
Ooh. Boots. Yeah.
Ooh, nice. I'm gonna show everybody up close. Ooh.
This wrapper also.
Oh, she wants you guys to see the wrapper. She thinks the paper on it is cute. I think this wrapping paper is adorable. Let me see. These boots are so cute. The detail on these boots, the spur, the leather strap, everything. Her boots are to die for. So cute. Let me do this magazine picture inside her magazine. Music Zone Volume 11. In the back says LOL OMG Remix.
Another great wrapping paper. This is something on her face.
Ooh. Her glasses are cute. These are adorable. The earrings that were on the box. Very adorable. Make sure you open up all your paper. Shake out your paper well, friends, because my helper almost did not see this, and we would have almost thrown it away, so we would not have been happy. Okay. No, just put it like this. You're so funny. Look, all this. This is what I love about LOL Surprise. All these little accessories fit in here if you want. You know, if you're not going to use them, or your child may not want to use them at the moment, or you don't want to lose them. Okay, next. You want to open a garment bag?
I want to open this first.
Oh, right.
I like that it's hard.
Hold on. Up a little bit so they can see.
Her guitar.
Ooh.
Wow. Well, I don't know if it's guitar because I don't think it's.
Ooh, look at this, guys. Her guitar is pretty. I love the strap. Look how beautiful and shiny the strap is. How shiny the guitar is. I'm going. Ooh. Nice.
Her pants.
Oh, this is lovely. Look at her pants. They even included the little belt like on the box. I was wondering about that. I was like thinking in my head, like, I wonder will it include the belt, because that kind of makes country, I know country fashion, definitely the belt is a big issue. This is so cute. I cannot wait to get her dressed and show y'all at the end of this video how she looks. Adorable. Woo! This is a lovely, this jacket, my friends, okay? This little dangly jacket, I was talking about that on the box. Okay, and it's made out of like what I would call like a very nice pleather material. Look how shiny and iridescent. It has glitter flecks all in it. Look at the dangles. Oh, very, very nice. Very pretty. Look at the panels on the jacket. This is high quality fashion for the OMG girls. This is her other outfit that can fit on
the other
Honeylicious.
Oh.
Because on her box it says, and I showed that in the first video, on the box, if you look, it says featuring Honeylicious. So that's how you know whose extra outfit can go on what. But really, this is LOL Surprise Remix, okay?
You can put it on anyone.
Right. Friends, we can put this
I
outfit.
really like the dress.
Yeah.
It's so nice.
We can put this on any OMG we want to put it on. I'm told this type of skirt is called a high-low skirt. And then her little tube top, look, you know, bandana paisley print. This is very, very popular because I've seen a lot of paisley sandals at the end of summer with the bandana print in multiple colors. So this is very on trend, very cute. I just love MGA, guys. Like, this is nice. And the only other thing that I didn't go into detail about is, and I will take this off her, guys, is her hat. Let me try to get this over her head real quick. She comes with the hat already on her. I'm gonna show you guys the detail on it. The silver trim, silver, the little band right here, chin strap, I should say. Very cute. And then this, to me, is really cute. Just her makeup, her green eyes, that is so pretty with her. And this is like, I want to say, friends, this is like a really rich brown, like a chestnut brown. Her hair is definitely not like a regular brunette brown. This is definitely like a very poppy, you know, lighter colored brown that actually really, you know, is shiny and pretty. Her shirt that she comes with is really cute too. She already has this shirt, and I thought this was a swimsuit or like a one piece at first, but it's not. It's just a shirt. And then her underwear just matches on the front, which is really, really nice, guys. And I love her hair. Whoever styled her hair, oh my gosh, the design team is so pretty. Like, these little hanging curl tendrils for bangs, that's really on trend too. I've seen a lot of people just wearing their hair like this lately. Like, so with just wearing bangs like this, where they just have like two little things, so cute. Kind of taking us back to like maybe like a 90s style with the bangs. And this is just also cute. I love her hair like this, but I am going to change it because that's another reason why I wanted to do her in-depth review first, guys, because as soon as I opened her, I knew I wanted to take her hair out and like do a different style. I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but we will see at the end of this. Because after I'm done playing with her hair, I will take a picture of her in both outfits and put it at the end of this video so you guys can see exactly what's up. And yeah, and also I just want to see like the real length of her hair. And she's cute, and I just love dolls like this that have hair to play with, because that's one of the best things about getting a doll to me, is being able to play with her hair, change her outfits. So I love it when dolls have long hair because I can do something to it. All right, be right back. Okay, y'all, I'm about to get my hair done. We'll be right back. Ooh, so here is Lonestar. This is her finished product. She looks so pretty, so cute, friends. I want you guys to see just everything about her. Her hair, oh my gosh, so nice. She is just darling. She is so pretty like this. Like, I love everything that they got going on for her. I love her boots with this outfit. Just her whole aesthetic is really, really cute in my opinion. Like, these shoes, these shoes, okay? She is pretty. That outfit, isn't she so cute? I just love her hair. I basically took her hair out of the twist and let it naturally fall into the curl pattern that it fell out of. And this is what we got, friends. Just a beautiful, beautiful curl pattern. She is pretty. And I just wanted you guys to see her last outfit, her second outfit. So cute.